Hi, I'm Dr. Stuart Cox.
And I'm Dr. Jared Norman, and we're with Nevada Spine and Disc. We'd like to give you a chiropractic tip.
If you're experiencing um, symptoms of neck pain with radiating pain down into the arms or hands, numbness and tingling as well, if you're having those types of symptoms in your lower back where you are experiencing pain into the buttock area, leg, foot, these symptoms relate to a condition that has to do with the herniation or possibly bulging discs. I've had patients ask me, are there any alternatives to surgery for having this problem resolved? And the answer to that is yes, there are. The table that I'm sitting on is a spine med table, which is a non-surgical spinal decompression, which takes the disc, the herniated disc or bulging disc, and retracts that material, taking it off of the nerve and back into the disc. If you're interested in a resolution for your problem with disc herniations, disc bulges that are causing this type of pain, numbness, and tingling, I would recommend that you find someone who has the spine med table, as it is the most advanced technology that's out there today.
One of the biggest causes of pain in the body, be it in the neck, the shoulder, wrist, knee, foot, wherever it is inflammation. And one of the best ways to treat that inflammation is with cold laser treatment. Now, the cold laser that we have here is called the Light Cure. This is a class 4 laser, which outputs over 20 times the amount of energy and healing potential than the next best laser below it. Now, the way this works is the laser energizes the cells, it pumps the cells full of photons, it increases the circulation, and it just allows these cells, the underlying cells, to heal. It brings more circulation so that the inflammation can be dispersed, and it just really allows the body to heal quicker because it's working on a cellular level. Now, this treatment is quick. It only takes a few minutes to treat an affected area, and the results can last for a long time. These class 4 lasers are actually utilized with many professional athletic teams. They have them in their locker rooms, and they use them on all their athletes if they suffer any type of injury during the games. So if you think you're suffering from inflammation, find a chiropractor that utilizes a class 4 laser to get you out of pain. One question I get asked all the time is, what's a good stretch for my low back? Now, that's a really good question. And what I've found is that there's really two muscles that can create a lot of low back pain, and that's your glute muscles and your piriformis muscle. The piriformis muscle is just below the glute muscle. So I'm going to show you two different ways to stretch these two muscles. So the first way is, and it's actually the most effective way, is to lay down on your back. You could do this, most commonly is done on your bed. You're going to lay down, you're going to grab one knee, and you're going to pull it up to your chest. And as you stretch this muscle, as you do this, you'll feel it stretching right here in the middle of your glute muscle. And then you're going to hold that for about 20 seconds. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull that knee across your body to the other side. And that's where you're going to feel it more on the side here. And that's stretching your piriformis muscle. And you're going to hold that for 20 seconds. And you're going to do that on both sides. That's actually the best way to stretch these muscles. But you're not always close to a bed or a place that you can lay down and do this stretch. So if you're at work and you're getting that tight low back, you can also do it in your chair. You're just going to cross your leg like this. Then you're going to pull that knee. Once again, you're going to pull it up to your chest like this. Okay? And that, once again, is going to stretch these butt muscles, the glute and the piriformis. And then another way is you just sit upright like this with your leg crossed. Keep your back nice and straight, and then you're just going to lean forward. Okay? And that's going to stretch that same area, your glute muscles, your piriformis muscle, and that's really going to loosen up that low back and really help you to manage that low back pain that you're dealing with.
If you've liked what you've heard and you'd like to know more, visit us at stopthebackpainnow.com.